is a real data economy use case become true, because you can see that a lot of companies are sharing data, and that only was a success because they have a mechanism to trustworthy share and match data sets, and that is provided by International Data Spaces Association with our reference architecture, where we define so-called clean rooms for data, our IDS connector, where you can put in data, match them, and gain insights and benefit by manipulating data out of it.
FIWARE is providing the open source based solution and implementation for the trusted digital twin concept, which is breaking down the silos along the whole product life cycle, starting in product development via production and operation of a product in the field.
Innovalia, with our technology, we are dealing with information across the full life cycle. We have to deal with the engineering of the product, the definition of the control process, and we have to deliver the final solution that will ensure that factories will produce with zero defect. Being able to share information faster in a trusted manner will allow us to deliver more robust solutions for our machines, better processes, and doing so more cost effectively and in less time.
And all that information is stored in the blockchain, can never be changed. That's one of the advantages of the blockchain, it can never be changed. And so you have truth and trust that this is an original part, and that's a major benefit for all the users of this ecosystem.
And this is a unique combination of world-leading organizations bringing the digital twin to life along the product lifecycle.